subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel.
Hello viewers, today I am show how to change your YouTube videos category. So let's go watch this video. At first you go Google Play Store and search YT Studio. And install these apps. I will add this app's link to description box. If you download these apps from description box, and I open these apps and I choose a video and edits. Look here, advanced settings, click here, look here, category, choose a one of you like, gaming, how to, music, news, people. I select how to and save. So guys, I hope you are enjoy this video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon there so you never miss an update from my channel. Bye bye.